two-way data binding. So what data binding? Okay, so here data binding in Angular is the process of means synchronizing data between the view and the model. Means view means HTML, model means TypeScript or JavaScript. Okay, so here we have the two types of bindings we have. That will be one-way data binding. So here the one-way data binding means it is data flows. Okay, data flows from model to view. Next, two-way data binding. Two-way data binding means using ng model. Okay, so ng model here, model to view to model is happening here. Okay, so in one-way data binding only it is happen from model to view, but here two-way data binding is happening model to view to model is happening. So two-way bindings will be happens. Okay, so we will call it as, here the one-way data binding is call it as the string interpolation also. Okay, so here I'm going to tell you how to use the one-way data binding and two-way data binding. Okay, so here we need to open our this PC. In this PC already we have created one folder here. Sample app. Okay, so here we need to open this cmd, so code space dot enter. So here first we need to create the component. After that we need to give the route. First here ing gc. So ng space g space c. Here data binding. Okay, enter. So what happened? The three components has to be created. So here already data binding is created. So see here. So in CSS, HTML, spec and TS also created. So here you can serve this project ng serve or else npm install Okay, we have the two commands for running in Angular. Okay, go to follow link. Already yesterday we created this thing. So I'm going to comment this. Where you need to comment? You need to comment in your app.ts. In this app.ts. Okay, app.route.ts. No. So here, okay, app.html. Where is this? App.html. You need to comment this. Okay, so here you need to give the route here first. So where it is showing already. So we need to app.ts. In that app.ts also we need to comment this first. So here we need to comment this. Okay, so this is also we don't need. So we need to comment this also. Okay, so done. Again you can serve this project. So follow this link. So we don't have any view part here. So we don't have any view part here. So after that already we have created the already we have created one component using data binding. So here the data binding I am writing here. So we need to give the path first. So go here and here take the app data binding. What is the component name? Component name is the data binding. Okay, so this is the data binding. So after that we need to give the route first. Where we need to give the route? TS. Okay, in the TS we need to import first. Import data binding. Already it is there, so directly the path will be taken. So please use a hint, what the hint is coming over there, that the hint will be helpful. Okay, so it is successfully we have given the route over there. And after that we need to create the view part. So see here, data binding works is created successfully. So how many types of data bindings we have? We have the two types of data bindings, that will be one-way data binding and two-way data binding. So here first we need to create the one-way data binding. Okay, so here, so okay, structure of HTML I haven't taken. So here I'm going to change the title. So that will be the data binding. Okay, data binding. So after that I'm creating the view part here first. So this is the structure, and I need to give the control for this first. If not, it will take the error as well. Okay, so I'm going to take the var app just a second. So here in this export class, this is a parent one, what we need to write. So this is a component, already I have told you that before the session. So here the selector, so here the selector means which component we are using, indication it will be there. This is the import, we are not giving the any imports here, so we are not using any third party components here. Okay, so here what is this? This is the template. So this is a template means this is a data binding HTML view I am pulling into HTML. So from TS to HTML we are taking, and after that the style URL. Style URL means what? The style URL means CSS part what I am going to creating here. So after that here I am going to add message first. Message, the variable declaration is happening here. Okay, message means the type declaration. So what is the message? Message means string. So I'm going to pass the message here. Hello from one way data binding I'm writing. One way binding. Okay, so next only here only I will start the two-way data binding also. So one way data binding. Okay, so here two-way data binding. Okay, so here also I am taking some message, some guest mode like that. User name. Okay, here string. Okay, so for this I need to create the view. So the logic is business logic I have written. So this data we need to take and we need to show from the front end. So that is HTML view. Okay, so in that HTML view I am going to use H2 heading tag I am going to take here. So that is one way data binding. One way data binding. So here I am going to take paragraph 1. So in the paragraph, in the one way data binding I am going to pass the string interpolation, that particular message. So the message should be, spelling will be very correct, if not it is showing the error in the front end part. Okay, so this is one way data binding, what it has to be follows. So we will see, refresh the browser, not here, refresh the browser. So one way data binding. So hello from hello from one way data binding. So how it will be? So it is taking from here what the message I have written here in the back end. So in the front end just that name I have binding here. So I am link upping. So HTML to TS I am link up. So here this is one way data binding. So copy this one and write the comment here. Okay, so here the two-way data binding, two-way data binding. Okay, two-way data binding. So here also I'm going to commenting this, and after that H2. So here two-way data binding. Okay, so here I'm going to use two-way data binding. So one-way data binding is nothing but string interpolation. Two-way data binding is nothing but ng model control we are going to use. Okay, so here input type equal to text. Okay, next here ng model I'm passing ng model equal to username. Already we have given the username. This username we need to pass. Okay, so place holder hint of the text, enter the text or name. So we don't have the ending tag for input. Okay, so next we need to pass the message here. So message so something error it is showing, it is can't binding. Why? We for this for using this we need the import the form module. So this is a form, so for this control we need the module. So you can take this one. So import in data binding. Yeah, so here I'm going to so one. Okay, here the message it is taking what I have taken here. So already I have blindly I have passed only the same message, the both the things. So username only I will pass here once. Okay, so username it will be display. So see here Jayashree. So here like this two-way data binding is happening. What the text you are going to enter over there, that the text it is presenting. So this is called it as two-way data binding. Are you getting my point, Kavya?
Yes, okay.
If you need the CSS blindly, I will add the CSS. Already we know the CSS, right?
Yep. Hmm.
So I'll add the CSS for this. So see this. This is how the way we are going to use this one. So why the guest is coming, we have passed in the username defaultly the guest, so that's why it is passing the text. Suppose I'm going to give something, so it will be presented like this only. Okay, so one-way data binding we call it as string interpolation. Two-way data binding